How's it going, everybody? This is Jose from Stock Market 101, and today I'll be going over my paper trading account. And I just started this paper trading account today, bought a lot of different companies, and I'll be going over that. And later on, I'll be going over my Robinhood portfolio. I did some changes today. I added some money and bought some new stocks, so I'll go over that as well. And let's get right into it. And actually, before I start, if you guys haven't watched my previous video, I basically will go over my $9,000 Robinhood stock portfolio. And I think it's a pretty interesting video. You get to see the different stocks and why I chose them. And I suggest you guys go watch that video. So let's get right into it. I suggest you get a paper trading account. So basically what a paper trading account is a simulated trading account in which people can practice investing without really losing or gaining actual money. And also, as you can see here, this is done by manipulation of imaginary money and investment positions that behave in a manner similar to the real markets. So if you guys are new to this and you guys are not sure that you want to get into the stock market, I suggest getting a paper trading account. And the paper trading account that I use is from Investopedia. It's pretty easy. You just need to put your email in and that's all. You don't have to put any other information down. And I'll have a link to it down in the description so you guys can get into it. As for the stocks that I bought, as you can see here, I bought Canopy Growth, 80 shares at $44.49, which is a total value of $3,500. I bought Microsoft at 30 shares at $112, which is $3,376. I bought Alibaba, 20 shares at $176, which is $3,529. I bought Facebook, 20 shares at $179, $3,585. Nvidia, 13 shares at $279 for $3,600. Apple, of course, 15 shares at $227 for $3,422. I bought Tesla, 10 shares at $299, and it's $3,000 so far. And I bought Amazon, 2 shares at $2,014, which is $4,033. Alright guys, as you can see here, I'm actually down today, $128, which is 0.46%. And right here, this is basically how much I would be down the whole year if I averaged every single day at going down 0.46%. I basically only bought $28,000 worth to start because I always believe that you should always have cash in your stock portfolios. Just in case if there's like a huge dip, you can buy some more shares and average it out on your positions. And as you can see, this is basically what my Robinhood portfolio, except I do not have Netflix, I don't have Boeing, and I don't have Avi. What I wanted to do with this stock portfolio is I wanted to go more into riskier investments, so I added Canopy Growth, and I only added Canopy Growth, which is a cannabis company. Also, I want to talk about risk reward. See, in my Robinhood portfolio, you know that I have $9,000. That I know that if I'm in the stock market, that I can lose potentially all my money. So that's why I have $9,000, because if I lose all my money in one day, it wouldn't affect my daily life. So you have to know that potentially you could lose all your money in the stock market. So make sure that when you're investing into the stock market that you invest money that you know that you could lose and it wouldn't really affect you that much. Also believe that you have to have cash. Always have cash, like I said before. It's good to have cash just in case if the markets do crash, that you have money to put into the market, because basically all the stocks will be at a discount price. I'll be going over this portfolio more often than my Robinhood portfolio. All right, so let's go into my Robinhood portfolio. As you guys can see, I actually added $900 into my account, and for a brief moment it was just above $10,000, which is awesome. And what I used that money for is to buy some Canopy Growth and some Aurora stock. I bought 2 shares of Canopy Growth and I'm down 3% today because it did dip a lot. And guys, I'm in Canopy Growth, which is, as you can see, it's only 0.58% of my portfolio. I plan to add more shares into this stock. I'm not planning to put a lot of money into this because it's more of my spec stock. Like, I believe these companies could in fact get into the multi-billion-dollar market caps, but it is a high risk, high reward kind of investment. And when you have spec stocks, I believe you shouldn't go over like 10% of your portfolio, because if these stocks really do tank, it's gonna affect your whole portfolio, and that's not good. And as for Aurora Cannabis, I did buy 10 shares, and I'm down 1.74%. If these companies do go down more, I'm going to average down. And also, I might sell some Apple stock, because for this whole month it is up 17%, and I believe that sooner or later it will drop down. And I'm trying to get some gains from this, so when it does drop down, I'll buy some more Apple stock. Okay, everyone, that's the end of the video. Let me know down in the comments if you would like me to update you guys on my stock portfolio, my paper trading account. Most likely I will be making updates every single day on it. And thank you guys for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.